Just give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna start in 5 minutes. Just give me some time. I'm gonna start very soon. If you want me, you can just type in what stock you want me to talk. I'll just go quickly. Otherwise, just wait for me. Hey Tanvir, thank you so much. I was planning for a live like way earlier, and it's 9:50 already. Quite late. I might not continue for long, but as you are here, I can talk about anything. Pretty late. Normally, I find like 10 o'clock Sunday night. People never comes on live, so basically it was for anyone like who is interested. So anyway, I'm doing good. I'm doing good, and I think you are part of the YouTube community. Normally, I post my alert on Discord. Then I also go on YouTube and I post on the community board. So I will be doing that, but mostly I'm looking at some ticker symbols for tomorrow, like Pro. Then I have CEI. Then we have ASTR. Made a video today, and let me see which ones I'm really pumped for tomorrow today. Then we have GGPI, AER. So these are the stocks I will be covering very soon. Okay, thanks. So on YouTube community is a little bit different, right? Because I can't post like everything, and also during the market hour, I'm more active on Discord. So, but I'll try to post it on the community board for you. And if ever you plan to install Discord and you want to join, you're welcome because that's more interactive. But anyway, I'm not pitching you for to buy the Patreon or anything. Just wanted to say thank you, Tanvir. I know you for so long. Uh, James, is that a new name? I'm good. It's late. I'm not expecting a lot of people. Just came online and just wanted to talk for some time. So, Tanvir or James, do you want specific? Do you want me to talk about anything specifically? Otherwise, like some of the things I want to talk. So, first of all, maybe you know about ASTR, right? Because they came up with a nice tweet that their launch was successful. So I'm anticipating ASTR will run high. So I made a video today on ASTR. But some of the things, if you are following CEI, it was really up after hour. Some of us entered around $1, went all the way to 1.5, came down to 1.2, and again it is pushing. The good thing is after hour it went over 1.5. So if you're planning for day trade, maybe it's a good idea to enter around 1.5 area or maybe 1.4. Then you ride the wave. CEI, we know it went $4, $5. So there is an opportunity for a nice swing. Then also the other one I find is VXRT, another nice one. Okay, James Fisker FSR. Okay, so all the EV they had a nice run up, right? And then they all came down. And Fisker is something many of us entered around 12, $13 doing trading and everything. But anyway, just looking at the chart, Fisker, it's good that it came down because it ran a lot. Let me know if you're already in. What's your plan? Are you long term? Are you day trader, swing trader? So but Fiskar, there might be a chance, and this week is a short week, you know, right? Thursday no trading, and Friday will be half day. There is a chance that Fiskar might come down again to 20.5 or 19.4. On the other hand, if it is pushing, I think 22.2 could be a barrier. Keep that in mind. It has been running a lot. I'm just gonna looking at the pattern, right? So it came down a lot. Now it might be coming down. It was not pushing after hour. It is sitting here. It all depends on the market. If you really want to play this, enter after 12, 22.2 for just a quick trade or wait for this to come down to 19.5. If you're long term, that is a different story, right? You see there is a nice uptrend. I like this Heikenichi. This is something, right? If I just join the lines, highs and lows, you see it was on a nice uptrend, right? Going up, up, up. Now the trend is broken. It came down. So we have to see, can we break the trend? Okay. Uh, James and Tanvir, yes, played CEI and Prog a couple of times. Thank you so much because I like Prog, definitely yes, and CEI, yes. ASTL launch, it was awesome. So not the funny thing. So ASTL was not really high after hours. So I'm just thinking maybe because of the news, maybe in the morning pre-market it might really go up. So I'm just planning to buy, put a limit buy order, maybe around 9.5, 9.7. In case it goes, it get filled. Pro, I also made a video. TUSK. Oh, I never looked at it. So James, Fisker is long, so definitely this is a nice car. And personally, I want to buy that car because it looks really nice. I would say for Fisker, if you're holding, just hold, and if you want to average down, just wait. So it will just go up and down, but most probably it will just have a pullback because it has been running a lot with Lucid. The other thing is, if you want to protect your profit, you can always set some limit buy order. So whenever something will come down by 5%, 10%, it's up to you how which criteria you want to use for the stop loss. So whenever it will come down, it will be sold, then you can re-enter at a cheaper price. TUSK, this is something new. I just want to see TUSK. This is a bad time for coming live, Sunday at 10 o'clock. Okay, so TUSK, Tanvir, what's your average? Because just looking at the chart, just looking at it. Okay. So it was 2025 at one point. I don't know what's your average, but looking like there is a resistance around definitely 7.3 area, right? Very, very clear. Then something around 5.4. This chart, you see, is so easy to draw support resistance and also is a good one for trading using support and resistance, right? It's very, very obvious at what point it will bounce, what point it will go up. So I don't know at what point you are stuck, but currently it is sitting on the resistance, which is 2.5. Then going back up, 4 will be a resistance, then 5.3 will be a resistance, and 7.2 would be a resistance. But if you ask me what trend it is coming down, so one thing is it is coming down, right? If we just connect at the highs, you will see it has been making lower highs, meaning that it's on a downtrend, and the chart tells it. So nothing new from me, just coming down. So one thing is if you are a bag holder, definitely you are looking something around $1, 1.2 for average down in case it comes down. Most probably it will go up. Look here, the entire 2020, it was moving between 1.1 and 2.5. Good for swing trading at the same time, good for average down. TUSK. Okay, it's a new one. Veronica, hey, I know you. I know you. I'm from Toronto. We are from the same place. Thanks, Veronica. Thanks for joining. Let me know. I know you are a nice swing trader. You did very good with Mara, and definitely you're playing others. It's quite late, 10 o'clock in Toronto, right? I went to bed. I thought, okay, I should come to live. It's a bad timing. So, Veronica, you are a part of my Discord and you are a VIP member. Thank you so much. And Tanvir and James, we also have our Discord. If anytime you want to join, welcome to join. So, I will be sharing my place soon. And Veronica, if you have any question, you can ask me. Most probably, I will just end the live very, very soon, maybe within few minutes if there is nothing from you. Okay, so you're from Scarborough. Then I know Veronica from Toronto. I'm not gonna say from which place. And I'm also from Greater Toronto. So it's funny, right? Three of us from Toronto. And I went to Toronto today for some other work. So anyway, Ron, CRTX just got in. Okay, let me see CRTX. Ron, are you new to the community or the YouTube? It seems like we know each other. So thank you again. So let's see. And Tanvir, you can let me know about TUSK at what point you are sitting, what's your average price. So CRTX. Oh, this is bad. CRTX at one point it was 120, now came down to 13. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. So on a daily chart, it's not looking pretty. First of all, is all red, is on a downtrend. If I look at I'm just gonna open the RSI. Just want to see where we are sitting. So on a RSI, definitely this is on a daily candle. It is oversold. It is at 18. Anything below 20, below 30 is oversold. I'm also gonna enter one more thing, which is MACD, and the MACD seems like it is bullish, meaning that even though the price is going sideways, you see more green bars are popping. So which is good. Okay, so if you entered CRTX, I'm using Heiken Ashi, so it looks different, but let me go back to the candle. Okay, so if you have entered around this area, which is between 12.5 and 13, I think this is a good one for a swing trade, considering that it was at $100, came all the way to $10. So it might be a good swing trade. The only thing I would say, use a stop loss in case it falls through 12.5, 12.4 area, because then you do not know how far it can come down. Otherwise, it looks like a nice one. It wants to go back up. Now I want to go back to hourly chart. And even on an hourly chart, you can see it came down. It is hovering over this 12.8, 13 area. So as long this area is held strong, I think this is a good one, right? There is no guarantee because there is no volume, right? So if things are looking bad, this thing can break through this support and comes down. But I think this is a nice entry. If you just entered now, use a stop loss. That's the only recommendation I will add. Okay. So yeah, whoever is here, just hit the like button. It doesn't hurt to hit the like button. Okay. Ron, you advised to go in 12.8 and 13. Yeah, I think you did a good job, Ron. So as you're mentioning, I advise. So you're part of my Discord or my community or something, right? But you are with me. So thank you so much. So TUSK had a charging station ordered the other day. That is great. My average is 3.5. Okay, 3.5. I'm gonna go back to TUSK. 3.5. Okay. Okay, so 3.5, not very far. And look at the volume. It was heavily beaten, right? 3.5 was the pre-market after our volume, right? The next morning it was beaten down, but the good thing, Tanvir, is It tried to go up, but after a while again it came down. I would suggest hold for now. Just hold it, and whenever it goes up, if you want to get out, just sell. Otherwise, if things are really terrible, if it comes to $1, just average down so that your average becomes around $2 something, 2.5, maybe $2. Okay, now people are, I see more people. Okay, oversold on the weekly. Yes, task is oversold, so it should reverse. So that is why if it comes down even more, you can average down. And okay, I'm going back to prog. So prog is something we are playing till 90 cent. It went all the way to 6.2, made profit, came out. Personally, currently I do not have any prog position because I sold out around 6.2. I'm just waiting. Last Friday I was busy, so I couldn't do the day trade, but I know many of us did excellent job running from $4 all the way to 5.2. I'm good for Monday, Tuesday trading, right? So if it comes down, I'm just waiting for the enter. So Pro definitely is one thing. CEI, AUR, another massive trade many of us did. So for AUR, I just want this to hold $15. You see the area $15. As long it holds $15 and bounce from $15, this is a good one for going back to 16 or maybe around 17. On the other hand, if 15 is broken, this thing can come back all the way to 14.1 area. But after 14.1, there is a big gap. So play with caution. VXRT, another one, just looking at the chart, it has been moving between 6.8 and 7.3. I'm just looking at it because if it can break over 7.3, I see a nice upside from 7.3 all the way to 7.9 for 8% profit. The other one I wanted to talk is ASTR. See my video. Let me know if you have PBIG because this thing is slowly bleeding and they have a earning Monday. So ASTR, what I'm planning, hopefully just because of the news, because they have launched something to the space, it might run. So I will add some orders around 9.5 and 9.7. If it gets filled, most probably it will run. And the chart is more exciting just looking at it because if it can go over $12, 12.2 area, there is more upside from 12.2 to $14. Do not forget previously it went sometime around $20, $17. So I'm just really looking to it because I think this is a big news. And watch my video if you do not know why I'm bullish. Okay. Anyone here? Any question? Otherwise, I will just end it. It's over 10 o'clock. I will just start posting the alert for tomorrow. Next week is a short week. Thursday, no trading. Friday, half day. So normally short week are not very good for bullish. Just do some day trading. If you see a big dip, just buy the dip. Otherwise, less volume. So watch the market and play with caution. And whoever is from Toronto and Scarborough, the weather is not great here. It's rainy, windy, and so we just need a green market so that we get some positive vibe. So anyway, and anyone new here, subscribe to the channel. Also give a try. We have a Discord here. You can always come to the Discord just by joining my Patreon. So you just have to pay $9 per month, roughly 30 cents per day. So, or you can also become a VIP. Here, Veronica, she's a VIP. So you can just become a patron, get access to my Discord, and get daily access over the Discord during the day. I just respond each and everyone, give new alert, update the price action, so that we can all make some day trading, swing trading. We also do like long term. So anyway, so thank you so much whoever joined late. So have a great night and we will connect tomorrow. Thank you so much. Take care and have a great night. Bye.